Hello friends, welcome to our channel Tech Hunt. Today we have brought a new video on an exciting topic. Today I will be teaching you about microcontroller and microprocessor. So without any further ado, let's get started with microcontroller first. So what is a microcontroller? A microcontroller is a small computer or a single integrated circuit. Now, what do I mean by a single integrated circuit is we have large-scale integration of transistors and many other circuital things on a flat semiconductor chip, mainly a silicon chip, right? Now in modern terminology, we can also compare microcontroller with a system on a chip, and we can say that a microcontroller is a part of a system on a chip. A microcontroller contains one or more CPUs along with memory and programmable input and output peripherals. Program memory is present in microcontroller in the form of ferroelectric RAM, NOR flash, OTP ROM, or a small amount of RAM as well. Now, microcontrollers are designed for embedded applications and real-time applications. So basically, microcontrollers are predominantly used in automatically controlled products and devices. And automatically controlled devices contains automobile engine control systems, implantable medical devices, remote controls, office machines, and power tools and toys as well. Now, microcontroller is often used in a large scale. Microcontroller is small in size and cheaper as well, and that's what makes it stand out from other such embedded systems or tools. Now we will talk about the embedded design of a microcontroller, right? A microcontroller can be considered a self-contained system with a processor, memory, and peripherals, and can be used as an embedded system. The majority of microcontrollers are embedded in other machineries as well, like automobiles, telephones, appliances, and peripherals for computer systems. While some embedded systems are very sophisticated, many have minimal requirements for memory and program length with no operating system and low software complexity. Now, embedded systems usually have no keyboards, screen, disk, printers, or any other recognizable input-output devices of a personal computer and may lack human interactive devices of any kind. Next, we will talk about programs and some of the other features of microcontroller. Typically, microcontroller programs must fit in the available on-chip memory, since it would be costly to provide a system with expandable memory and external memory. Now, compilers and assemblers are used to convert both high-level and assembly language coded into a compact machine code for storage in the microcontroller's memory. Now, the special part about microcontroller is its small size and cheapness in market. Now, since external and expandable memory are costly, we cannot make large length programs for it. Depending on the device, the program memory may have permanent read-only memory that can only be programmed at the factory, or it may have field alterable flash or erasable read-only memory. Right. Now, some of the other features of microcontroller contains several to dozens of general purpose input-output pins such as Gpio pins. Gpio pins are software configurable to either an input or an output state. When Gpio pins are configured to an input state, they are often used to read sensors or external signals. Configured to the output states, Gpio pins can drive external devices such as LEDs or motor, often indirectly through external power electronics. Now let's move on to the next section of our video, that is microprocessor. Now, a microprocessor is a computer processor which incorporates the functions of a computer's central programming unit on a single integrated circuit, or we can say shortly as an IC, right? The microprocessor is a multi-purpose, clock-driven, register-based digital integrated circuit which accepts binary data as input, processes it according to the instructions stored in its memory, and provide results as outputs. Microprocessors contains both combinational logic and sequential digital logic. Microprocessors operate on number and symbols represented in binary numeral system. Now, before microprocessors, small computers had been built using racks of circuit boards with many medium and small scale integrated circuits. Now, microprocessors combine this into one or few large scale ICs. Continued increase in microprocessor capacity have been rendered other forms of computer almost completely obsolete, with one or more microprocessors used in everything from the smallest embedded systems and handheld devices to the largest mainframe and supercomputers. Now let us talk about the embedded applications of microprocessors. Now thousands of items that were traditionally not computer related include microprocessors. This include large and small household appliances, cars, car keys, tools and test instruments, toys, light switches, dimmers and electrical circuit breakers, smoke alarms and battery packs as well. Now such products as cellular telephones, DVD video systems and HDTV broadcast systems fundamentally require consumer devices with powerful low-cost microprocessors. Increasingly stringent pollution control standards effectively require automobile manufacturers to use microprocessor engine management systems to allow optimal control of emission over widely varying operating conditions of an automobile. Now guys, microprocessor control of a system can provide control strategies that would be impractical to implement using electromechanical controls or purpose-built electronic controls. For example, if we take an engine control system in an automobile, it can adjust ignition timing based on engine speed, load on the engine's ambient temperature and any observed tendency for knocking, allowing an automobile to operate on a range of fuel grades. So guys, that's all from our side today. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section stating your valuable suggestions and recommendations for our upcoming videos. Share this video in your friend circle and make sure you subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications for our future videos. Trust us, we have lot more enticing stuff to come.